back. We are back from near Kramat station where we started our walk earlier when we walked towards the east. Today we are going to walk towards the west. This is the Pramuka underpass. Of course, there's the tracks here where we see construction of columns for the LRT Jakarta currently already above ground, which is pretty fast, as just about 2 weeks ago there was nothing here. From the pedestrian crossing we have a slightly better view over at least a few columns that are being constructed here. These are single columns in the median. But behind me is the Pramuka underpass, where there are columns left and right of the underpass itself, as they don't fit in the median. As we are approaching the intersection here, there is no construction going on yet. I guess that's because it's pretty complicated here. There is 1 lane, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 lanes of traffic here, and no real space to build any piers. It will be interesting to see how they handle that. The fourth flyover you see here, coming from the east going to the west and north, was built here first. The tunnels, which are right besides me, 1 lane over, have been built afterwards, but it leaves almost zero space to build the piers for the LRT here. Really interesting to see how that will work out traffic-wise during the construction. We are on top of a bridge that I think crosses the Ciliwung, not indicated. And from here we can just barely see the construction of the piers going on. This is still the far end of Pramuka Street. And only where you can see the trees in the distance is where Tambak Street is starting. Good thing is, once groundworks are finished, the roads can be restored into the original 2-lane design, allowing for traffic to flow slightly better. As you know, this is a hotspot for traffic. Almost daily, almost around the clock. It's decent now though. This is the last pier, or at least under construction, on this street, and the one over there is already on Tambak Street. We have made it to Tambak Street, where the piers are getting higher and higher. And that's because eventually the LRT Jakarta has to cross the elevated section of the KRL train line that runs from Manggarai all the way to Jakarta Kota. Cars are getting pretty high up over there. The piers here are about 4 stories high, 10-12 meters I guess, and they will run even higher because the flyover or viaduct for the trains is pretty high up. Right over there in the distance, I'll zoom, you can see a train running over the viaduct from Manggarai Station to Kota, which has now passed. And LRT lines of Jakarta will run from here all the way with a curve to there, over the viaduct. So the piers will run here, go above this bridge, and then above the viaduct right there, which is about 20 meters up from here, to end up somewhere just across the tracks here. That's the tunnel we just walked through. Those are the ground level rail tracks. That's the viaduct. And the LRT Jakarta will go somewhere there. If we turn around a bit, this is Manggarai train station. and that is Manggarai Bus Terminal. And that last station of the LRT Jakarta will be roughly 120 meters from here on the canal. So it will be integrated, although it won't be easy. With a view of Manggarai train station, I say thank you for watching this video and see you soon in a future one.